Alright, so our next topic in linear algebra is the magnitude, unit vector, and distance between two vectors. So let's start with the magnitude of a vector. The magnitude or the length or the Euclidean norm of a vector v is equal to b sub 1, b sub 2, b sub n is, okay, the magnitude. So itong ating symbol na ito ay the magnitude is equal to the square root of uh, b sub 1 square plus b sub 2 square and so on and so forth, b sub n square. Okay? This generalize the Pythagorean theorem. So, para Pythagorean theorem po ang nangyari dito, no? Parang kung makita natin, di ba nga sa if you are solving the triangle, if you have x comma y, okay, tapos solve for x, square the x and square the y, okay, is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. Okay, so ito pong magnitude of a vector, yun po yung hypotenuse natin, no? Na the vector o na hypotenuse natin. Kasi ang component niya x at saka yung y. Example 1. Find the magnitude of v is equal to the set of 3, 4. So, you have the magnitude v is equal to the square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared, and that is square root of 9 plus 16, and that is square root of 25. So, therefore, the magnitude is 5. Okay? So, that's ganun lang. No? Sa application, in the application of the Pythagorean theorem. Number 2, find the magnitude of v is equal to the set of 2, 3, negative 6. Okay, so that's the magnitude. So 2 square, the square root of 2 square plus 3 square plus negative 6 quantity square. So 2 square ay 4, 3 square ay 9, ang negative 6 square ay 36. So kapag i-plus natin, that is 49. So square root of 49 ay 7. Okay, but not all the time na laging perfect square po yung lumabas. Kasi depende po sa given size natin, no? Now, we have unit vectors. Okay, a unit vector is a vector. Okay, a unit vector is a vector whose magnitude is 1. Thus, yung magnitude niya is 1, no? To convert a non-zero vector into a unit vector having the same direction is to divide the vector by its magnitude. Okay? So, to find u or the unit vector in the given vector na non-zero, so that is v is equal to its magnitude. Okay? So, this process is called normalization. Example 3, find the unit vector in the direction of v equals 3, 4. Okay. We know from example 1, okay, that the magnitude of this vector is 5. Okay, hence the magnitude is 5. So, di ba nasolve natin ito kanina sa example 1 natin at alam natin yung magnitude dito ay 5. No? Therefore, u is equal to 1/5 times 3, 4. And that will become, that is our, ito yung unit vector, is our answer, okay, the set of 3 over 5, 4 over 5. Okay? Check natin kung magiging ang yung magnitude ba niya ay magiging 1. Okay, so the magnitude of the u vector is equal to the square root of 3 over 5 square plus 4 over 5 square, and that is the square root of 9 over 25 plus 16 over 25. So since parehas ang denominator, so ipa-plus natin, 9 plus 16 ay 25. So 25 over 25 is 1. Therefore, the magnitude of the unit vector is 1. So tama po tayo, no? Example 4, find the unit vector in the direction of v is equal to 2, 3, negative 6. We know from example 2, ito naman galing sa example 2, that the magnitude of this vector is 7. Hence, the magnitude of v is 7. So, u is equal to 1 over 7 times the set of 2, 3, negative 6. So, ito po yung ating sagot. That is this the unit vector, no? Is equal to 2 over 7, 3 over 7, and negative 6 over 7. Now, i-check natin, okay, kung ang magnitude ba nito ay 1. Okay, so that is the square root of 2 over 7 square plus 3 over 7 square plus negative 6 over 7 square. So that will become 4 over 49 plus 9 over 49 plus 36 over 49. So the square root of 49 over 49, and that is 1. Okay, so the unit vector is 1. Okay. Now, we have also distance between two vectors. The distance between two vectors u and v is the distance, okay, of u and v is equal to the magnitude of u minus v. Okay. So, if we have u, the given vector u, and the given vector v, okay, thus, ang ating distance ay uh, is equal to the square root of the summation of u minus u sub I minus b sub I square. Okay? Okay, example 5, find the distance between u is equal to 2, the set of 2, 3, 1, and v is 5, negative 3, negative 6. So first, we have to find u minus v. So u minus v, so you have now, okay, 2 minus 5, 3 minus negative 3, and then 1 minus negative 6. 2 minus 5 ay negative 3. Okay? 3 minus negative 3 ay positive 6. 1 minus negative 6 ay positive 7. So that is u minus v. Sunod natin gagawin, ipa-plus natin to, no? Using the okay, kunin natin yung distance, no? So para makuha natin, so negative 3 square plus 6 square plus 7 square. So itong lahat na to ay naka-square, tapos plus natin. Okay? So the distance of u and the vector u and v is equal to the square root of 9 plus 36 plus 49. So ang distance nila ay square root of 94. Okay, so almost 10, no? So that will become kapag i-solve natin sa calculator, you have square root of 94 is equal to 9.60 or 9.70 na. Okay, 9.70. Alright, so this is your activity to answer. Activity 1, given the following vectors, u is equal to 2, negative 3, and 5, and b equals 1, negative 1, 4. Calculate the magnitude of u. Number 2, the magnitude of v. Number 3, the distance between u and v. Number 4, the unit vector of u. Number 5, the unit vector of v. Alright, we have activity number 2. Given the following vectors, u is equal to the set of 1, negative 3, and v equals 5, negative 1. Calculate the magnitude of u. Number 2, magnitude of v. Number 3, the distance of u and v. Tapos, number 4, the unit vector of u. Number 5, the unit vector of v. Okay? So, that is your activity. I hope you learn, no, from these video lessons. Thank you very much for listening and watching in this YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, Matuto Dapat, sapagkat ang kaalaman ay isang mahalagang kayamanan na dapat nating ingatan at pagyamanin. Muli, this is Engineer Eduardo Tapia, your professor. Maraming salamat and God bless you.